it's Taufi, and I hope you've had an amazing day. In today's video, I'm going to be making some fan art for ZHC by drawing his new pet chameleon, Dax. So as you can see, all I'm doing right now is just sketching out the chameleon, and that's all for now. And before you continue watching, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to turn on that post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload something new too. So as you can see, I finished inking in all the details on the chameleon, and all I have to do now is free-handed, may I add, draw in the doodle background. So here's the finished fan art. I am so happy with how it turned out, and hopefully ZHC will see this. Anyways, here's the montage, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See ya!